Hey guys, Mr. Tybuck here with a new video. Today we have a couple of these speed duel packs like we've been opening in our past videos. And we actually picked up a Invasion of Chaos and a Spell Ruler. We also picked up a Legend of Blue Eyes and a Dark Crisis pack, but I wanted to keep those for my collection since I didn't have one in there. I actually don't have the Spell Ruler in my collection either, but I figured I wanted to open this one. I don't know why. I don't really remember opening this one as a kid like I do the other one. So I was like, you know what, we'll open this one, and the next one we find we'll keep in our sealed collection. So we're just gonna hop into the speed duel packs. They go by really quick, and let's just see if we can pull anything good. And I don't know specifically what you can pull out of the Spell Rulers pack or the Invasion of Chaos. I do remember opening the Invasion of Chaos when I was a kid, but I mean, this was back in like 2001, 2 or something around that era. And back then I was like 6 or 7, so I'm 25 now. So yeah, it's been a long time, so we're just gonna hop into this packs. I do like these speed duel packs. I just wish that there were more cards per pack. I don't like the 4-card pack deal they got going on. I know they throw 3 in the blister, but it'd just be better for me, or in my opinion, if they just added 8 cards in one pack or 9 cards instead of 3 small packs. But Daniapon, Cupasaurus, Zulus, Pendulum Machine, Break Draw. Nothing out of that pack. Machine Convert. Come on, focus. Okay. Machine Conversion Factory. Graviax Grail. A Major Upset. Spell Power Grasp. I do apologize if that first pack was blurry like that. I didn't catch it until just now. Gotta get me a new camera holder. The one I got right now, my wife was using for something. I don't know. She was using it for some light, or like she had a light on top of the, like, had the camera holder holding the light for her, and it fell off the kitchen bathroom sink and it messed it up. So now I gotta get another one. Okay. Magical Plant Mandorogula. Spellbinding Circle. I haven't seen this card in a while. Jirac Tyrannus. I like the art. I like it a lot, actually. And Machine Conversion Factory. Not one rare or hollow out of those first 3 packs. Maybe Kaba will do us better. Let's see where we are. Let's see, here we are. So no scissors. Put that in there. Hope everybody's keeping safe during the pandemic. And let me know down in the comments if y'all have opened these speed duel packs, if y'all pulled anything really worthwhile out of them. I mean, I've pulled maybe 1 or 2 good cards out of like probably 10 or 15 packs I've opened. They don't seem to have really good pull rates. Alright, here we go. Infernity Beast. Great White. Power of Kashin. Fishboard Planter. Nothing too good. I'm just asking for one holo out of these packs. This one. That's including out of the 2 older packs. I don't think Walmart. I think a third-party seller makes those packs, so I hope they're not weighed. I'm not really sure. Mystical Elf, Moray of Greed, Magical Undertaker, and another Fishboard Planter. So nothing out of these Speed Duel packs. This is our last chance. Come on. Give us something. Dijin Desire of Rituals. When you ritual summon a monster, you can banish this card from your graveyard as if one of your monsters required for the ritual summon. The monster ritual summon using this card is unaffected by trap effects. Hey. Not a bad card, honestly. Could be useful. Moray of Greed. Imaruka. Sorry, guys, I'm really bad at pronouncing these names. And Sonic Duck. Okay, we're going to hop into the Invasion of Chaos first. There's also 2 rares and 8 commons in the back of the pack, so I gotta be careful opening so I don't damage those cards. Still looking for some like some boxes or something bigger to open. I guess I'm gonna have to end up ordering something offline because so far I'm not getting anything at my local Walmart. And the Walmart that I picked these up at, like I said, they didn't have much neither, and it was an hour away. Alright, we'll hop into these random cards they put in here. Okay, so we have a super rare, Survival's End. Another super rare, Cattle Call. Zubaba General. Raid Rapper Last Strix. Concentrated Light. Consecrated Light. I apologize for that. Mischief of Genomes. Could be gnomes instead of genomes. Legendary Maju Gazaret. Come on, focus. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Fluffle Sheep. Void Feast. Wonder XYZ. So at least we got the 2 super rares. Nothing special, but hey. So, alright. Hold on, guys. How to smell that pack? It's been a while since I've smelled a brand new open pack. Big Koala. Haven't seen this card in ages. I love that card. Recycle. Sliffhead. Curse Seal of the Forbidden Spell. Our rare is a Drulago. Cannonball Spear Shellfish. Grand Maju des Iza. Could be pronouncing that wrong. Sea Serpent Warrior of Darkness. And Arayu Koki. Alrighty. I'll hop into this last one. Trying not to look at the cards they have behind the pack. So we'll do a little card trick here. In that first pack, the 2 super rares were in the front, so we'll move this to the back this time. Black Thunder, Synchro Barrier, Limit Impulse, Gemini Counter, Enlightenment. Wow, a lot of traps. Sealing Ceremony of Makuten, Summon Gate, Double Cipher. That's a super. Message in the Bottle. Never seen that card. And a Green Baboon Defender of the Forest. Limited edition, apparently. Didn't know you could get limited edition cards in these. I've never really opened these blisters with the cards behind them. There ain't nothing better than smelling a brand new open pack of cards. Okay. The Reliable Guardian, Guardian of the Throne Room, Upstart Goblin, Ryu Ran. Oh, a rare's a manga Ryu Ran. That's pretty nice. I like that. I like that. Was actually trying to make a Toon deck now that the new Toon Chaos expansion's out. So, I mean, this really isn't a bad pull for me. Been better if it was a Blue Eyes Toon Dragon, but I will take it. Darkness Approaches. Hamburger Recipe. Isn't this a ritual spell for the hamburger card? I haven't seen that card in ages, but I think that's what this is. This card is used to ritual summon Hungry Burger. Yep, this is the one. Yep. Boar Soldier. Ancient One of the Deep Forest. Alright guys, so we didn't get any really major pulls, but hey, it was fun to open. It was fun making the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, like, share, subscribe, and let me know what y'all would like me to open. I'm open to any type of suggestions. If y'all would like to see anything specific open on the channel, just leave a comment or message me directly. I thank you guys for watching, and y'all be safe. Bye.